In this video, I am about to show you how to book a knowledge test online in Quebec. First, open your Google Chrome browser and type Quebec test appointment into the search bar. Press enter to see the search results. Now click on the link that says Knowledge and Road Test Appointments. This will take you to the section where you can find detailed information about booking your knowledge test. Once you're on the appointments page, scroll down until you see the option that says Access SAAQ. Click to make an appointment. Now click on this link to proceed. You will be redirected to the SAAQ Click platform. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by providing your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and contact details. After logging in, look for the option to book a knowledge test. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your preferred date, time, and location for the test. Be sure to review your appointment details carefully before finalizing your booking. Once everything is confirmed, submit your request. You should receive a confirmation notification after successfully booking your knowledge test. This confirmation will provide you with all the necessary details regarding your appointment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.